Hello my dear friends! We're making pumpkin soup with a little bit of cashew cream. For those who just became vegan, it will remind a little bit of sour cream. Let's go! So let's write down all the ingredients. I'll have them below the video. Of course it is the pumpkin, which is the main ingredient. We have one good big onion. I love onion. Also I prepared earlier vegetable broth. You can buy it in the store. I always prefer to make my own. So for cashew cream, we soak a little bit of cashews. For the same cream, we'll add a little bit of champagne vinegar. The flavor is amazing. Nutritional yeast, Himalayan salt, and lemon. This is for cream. At the end, we'll add some ginger, cayenne, and pumpkin spice. Okay, so let's start with cutting the pumpkin. It's actually not as hard as I thought it is. Let's see. We scoop that with a spoon. Take off the seeds. Now those two halves are ready. We put the oven for 350 or 400 degrees and put it from 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So you just time to time open the oven and check with the fork if it's ready or not. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm almost done with filling the ginger and we are working on veggie broth. Whatever you have of veggie broth, add some fresh ginger over there and boil it together with half big large onion. Just the flavor is going to be so rich. And don't worry, don't cut it too small because we're going to blend it later. So the process is quite simple. We just boil vegetable broth with, you see, big pieces of onion because it doesn't really matter. Same as whole ginger. You can cut it in the smaller pieces, it doesn't really matter. My kitchen smells like pumpkin. Let's work on cashew cream. A quarter cup of cashews, half a cup of water. It's always double for cream. Double your nuts. Squeeze half of small lemon, a quarter of large one. So nutritional yeast, maybe 2 teaspoons, 2 full teaspoons. 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1/4 of teaspoon of salt. I always start with 1, 2, 3, yeah. Then go up. Beautiful. It actually tastes like sour cream. That's fantastic. And the pleasant part, blending the actual soup. I actually decided to make it more liquid, so I added more broth. Oh my god, the smell. When the pumpkin is soft and ready, you can easily take it with a tablespoon. Cayenne pepper on top. I don't know how spicy you like it. I like it middle spicy. And pumpkin spice. Okay, now when all flavors are mixed up, we can add salt. For this big portion, I would add probably half a teaspoon for now, but I don't like it too salty. And we have salt in our cashew cream. I hope you will like my soup as much as I do. So for plating, I just added our cashew cream. Mix it like that with a spoon and sprinkled coriander seeds. So we just finish with dill. And here we go. Please comment below if you have your unique recipes or suggestions. I'm excited to see that. And subscribe to my channel to see future recipes.